Hey there, Foxtecc community. Today, we're diving into a fascinating feature on Instagram, the broadcast channel. If you're an Instagram creator, this is a powerful tool that lets you share messages ranging from announcements and behind-the-scenes content to event details and upcoming collaborations directly with your followers. Setting it up is a breeze. Ensure you have the Instagram app downloaded, ready, and accessible. Open the app, navigate to your direct messages section. That icon is conveniently located in the upper right corner. Now, for those with the feature available, you'll notice another button in the upper right corner for creating something new. Simply tap on it, and you're on your way to creating broadcast channels seamlessly. However, keep in mind that the availability of broadcast channels might vary by country, region, and possibly account type. It's always good to check whether this feature is accessible to you. Now let's talk about the key aspects of using a broadcast channel. When you send the initial message in your broadcast channel, all of your followers receive a notification inviting them to join. This ensures that your message reaches your entire audience. Want to expand your channel's reach? You can share an invite link to your channel. While the invite link can't be turned off, you have the flexibility to reset it for a new one at any time. As the creator and admin of the broadcast channel, you can further enhance visibility by adding the channel to your stories. This allows your content to reach a broader audience, creating more engagement. And here's a neat trick. You can share a message from the channel to your story by tapping and holding a message, then selecting Share to Story. This adds an image of the message to your story, providing another avenue for people to discover and join your broadcast channel. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to explore the Foxtecc educational platform. It's free to access, offering various courses like the Dynamic Island course and a full iPhone setup guide. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech insights, and explore the broadcast channel feature on Instagram. Your support means a lot. Peace